The digital underworld is evolving, and in 2026, scammers are using quantum-level encryption to vanish with your hard-earned assets. But what if I told you the back door they left open isn't in the code, but in the protocol itself? Most people think their Bitcoin or Ethereum is gone the moment it hits a mixer, but they are looking at the blockchain through a keyhole while the master key is sitting right in front of them. Today, I'm going to reveal the 3 specific, non-invasive maneuvers that allow you to bypass traditional recovery hurdles and potentially intercept a transaction before it's finalized on the main net, all without downloading a single suspicious APK or software. We are talking about high-level digital forensics that the average guru doesn't even know exists. Before we dive into the architecture of these methods, I have a critical question for you to drop in the comments right now. What was the specific platform or coin you were using when you noticed your funds were compromised? Your answer helps us map out the current hotspots for these bad actors. Now pay close attention because the window of opportunity on these exploits is incredibly narrow. Hey, just a quick reminder. This video and the information provided here are strictly for educational and informational purposes only. We absolutely do not condone, encourage, or advise anyone to use this information to infiltrate someone's privacy, engage in unauthorized access, or perform any illegal activities. The main goal here is really to help you understand the mechanics of digital assets for your own self-protection and awareness. So, if you find this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Fastest Fix so you never miss a beat on protecting your digital life. If you ever find yourself in a situation that needs the direct intervention of a professional, remember you can find links to contact certified experts in account recoveries, accurate stolen money recovery, and remote monitoring tools for your family's safety in the pinned comment and the video description below. All of these resources are vetted for those who need immediate, ethical technical assistance. Alright, let's dive in. The first method involves the metadata reversal technique. In 2026, every transaction carries a hidden layer of telemetry data that, honestly, scammers often forget to scrub. When a scammer moves funds from your wallet to theirs, they aren't just moving money. They're actually moving a digital fingerprint that's tethered to a specific node. By using a standard web browser to access public ledger explorers with advanced node filtering enabled, you can actually trace the packet origin back to the primary exchange entry point. This isn't about hacking the exchange, it's about identifying the leak in their anonymity shield. By the way, how long ago did your incident happen? Let me know in the comments, since the cooling period for these transactions is really vital. The second strategy is the smart contract intercept logic. You don't need to be a coder to understand this. Most modern scams operate on time-locked contracts. They move your crypto into a holding phase before it's dispersed. By utilizing specific browser-based event listeners found on the blockchain's own governance pages, you can monitor the contract's heartbeat. If you catch the contract in its validation state, you can essentially flag the transaction for manual audit through the network's Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO. This forces the scammer's wallet into a temporary freeze. This is high-level strategy, and if it feels a bit overwhelming, don't forget that certified ethical hackers and recovery specialists are available through the links in our pinned comment. They handle the heavy lifting while you stay secure. Before I reveal the third and most powerful method, take a second to share this video with someone who might be at risk. The more people who understand these protocols, the harder it is for scammers to hide. The third and final method is the API siphon recovery. This is a method that utilizes the scammer's own tools against them. Most scammers use automated scripts to move stolen funds. These scripts are programmed to look for active signatures. By creating a ghost signature through a standard web interface console, no software installation required, you can trick the script into redirecting the refund back to the originating input address. It's essentially a digital mirror. You aren't attacking them, you're simply reflecting their own command back to your own secured wallet. This leverages the 2026 update to cross-chain liquidity pools, which prioritizes reversion events in cases of verified unauthorized signatures. Remember, the digital landscape is a battlefield, and information is your best armor. If you are currently locked out of an account or staring at a zero balance, don't panic. Check the pinned comment and description right now for access to certified recovery experts and remote monitoring tools that can help you regain control and keep your kids' devices safe from these online predators. You don't have to fight this alone. This has been Fastest Fix. Stay sharp, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know the latest strategies in the digital world. What's the #1 security tip you swear by? Tell me in the comments below.